Good morning, students. Today in math class, I will start with chapter 4 multiplication. Word problems. Word problems means the sum with question, and we have to solve these questions by writing statements. Okay, first we can write statements, but which operation we have to apply there, that we always got confused about that. So first, I will tell you the key words of multiplication: times, in all, each, twice, twice means 2 times, product, product is the answer of multiplying 2 numbers, double, 2 times, triple, multiply by, and 1. 1 and each, they both have the same meaning. So I will explain these words by the 2 questions. First question is, Raju, the newspaper man, delivers 122 newspapers every day. How many newspapers will he deliver in 2 weeks? Now I will underline the main word, that by reading that word, how can we come to know that we have to multiply here? Every day. Every day means on one day, on each day. So every day indicates each and one. Now here, in weeks we have to calculate the newspapers. So what will we do? First we will convert week into days. So for that I have written the formula there. 1 week is equal to 7 days, we all know. So 2 weeks is equal to 14 days. How? 7 multiplied by 2 is 14 days. So we have got the 14 days of 2 weeks. So we have to write the answer in days, because they have given us every day. उन्होंने हमें एक दिन की डिलीवरी बताई है, and we have to count the 2 weeks delivery. So 2 weeks को हम पहले days में convert करेंगे, then we calculate the sum. Now first I will write the statement. Newspaper delivered in 1 day. See, यहाँ पे एक दिन का आपको दिया हुआ है. 1 day is equal to 122. Then come to the next. Newspapers delivered in 2 weeks is equal to 122 multiplied by 14. Now I hope you can understand that from where we have got the 14. 14 is the days of 2 weeks. So now I will do the multiplication now. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, I have put the places. Then I have written 122. Below that I have written 14. So I will start the multiplication. So 4 to the 8. I will write 8 here. 4 to the 8. 4 ones are 4. I will put a cross here. 1 to the 2. 1 to the 2 and 1 ones are 1. I will do the addition here. 8 plus 0 8. 8 plus 2 10. 1 I will put here. 4 plus 1 5. 5 plus 2 7. 1 remain here. So answer is 1708. So how many newspapers he delivered in 2 weeks or 14 days? 1708 newspapers. I hope all things are clear to you. Now I will go to the second sum. Second sum is, if each player of a cricket team scores 25 runs, what will the total score be? Now see, in this sum they have given only one number, 25 runs. Only 25 is the number that is written in this question. How can we come to know that what is the second number? With which number we have to do the multiplication? Read the question carefully. Can you see any number here? No. Only 25 is shown here. So we read the question again, because second number is already in the question. If each player of a cricket team scores 25 runs, I will explain this in Hindi. अगर cricket team का 8 players, देखो, see, they have given the score of 1 player. अगर हमें किसी एक चीज की पहले कीमत या वैल्यू दी जाती है और ज्यादा की निकालने के लिए बोली जाती है, देन वी डू द मल्टीप्लिकेशन. तो एक प्लेयर ने स्कोर दी है 25 रन, तो जो टोटल स्कोर कितनी हुई, टोटल करने के लिए हम क्या करेंगे, फर्स्ट वी राइट हाउ मेनी प्लेयर्स आर देयर इन अ क्रिकेट टीम. One cricket team is equal to 11 players. That we all know. That is a general question that in one cricket team there are 11 players. Now I hope you have got your second number, and your second number is 11. Now I will solve my sum. If one player scores is equal to 25 runs, then 11 players score is equal to 25 into 11 runs. Now I hope you have understood. So I will do the multiplication. First I have put the statement, places 1, 10, 100, 25 and 11. So I will do the multiplication here. 1 5s are 5, 1 2s are 2, cross 1 5s are 5, 1 2s are 2, plus 5, 7, 2. Now you can see that how many scores will be scored by 11 players, 275 runs. How many runs they have scored? 275 runs. So you can see that in first sum, every day is given and 2 weeks are given. First I have converted weeks into days. I have shown you the formula here. Please have a look. 1 week is equal to 7 days, 2 weeks is equal to 14 days. In the same way, in second question, they have given they have given the each player, one player scores 25 runs, and we have to find out the total score. So how can we count the total score? First, I will write the players, number of players. How many players are there in one cricket team? 11 players. So I will multiply 25 by 11. So it's my humble request that while doing these word problems, you have to read the question very carefully. If you have given the one number, one value, and you have to count the more values, then you have to do the multiplication. So do practice a lot, read the questions once, thrice, twice, so many times. If you will read the questions carefully, then you can able to understand that which operation we have to apply here. So read carefully and learn the tables also. Thank you.